It's a good idea to study what some of the best e-commerce stores in the world are doing in order to grow your own e-commerce store. And in today's video, it's no exception. We're going to be analyzing what this company is doing in order to reach $1.7 million per month. And I'm going to tell you, it comes down to the offer, the product, the research, the ads that they're running. And we're going to break down all of these things independently so that you can learn the most possible to start your own business. Let's get right into it. The store I'm talking about is called OmniLux. And what you see here is exactly what they sell. It's these masks, but not just these masks. They also do other skincare stuff, but this is the main thing that they sell. It's just these masks. Now, of course, like I mentioned, now they have some more products, some more skincare products that go well with the mask, but this is their main winning product, right? Now, here is an incredible lesson right away that we can learn. Free gift with LED mask. Offering a little gift with your product is a great way to incentivize people to buy it. It's a great offer. But this is what you could consider a one product store, even though they have multiple products. Okay, just let me cook here. Even though they sell multiple products, you can still categorize this as a one product store because they're all variants from this one product that they initially started with. So this is the exact template or framework that you should follow for a one product store. Is you start with one product and then you test new products that are relevant, or test the same product but in different colors. That's what they're doing. And then start adding maybe complementary products that you can introduce to the offer, etc. So that's basically the brand. Let's look at the landing page here. And as you see, let's look at the main product. This is the main one. And it's really simple. You could literally create a Shopify free theme store that looks very similar to this. Now, I really love their sticky add to cart button. It looks very nice. And I love how they made everything really easy to read. It's very well spaced. They have clinical studies that they've added. They have some before and afters of real people using this stuff. Super, super compelling, right? They have instructions on how to actually use it. And then lastly, they have the technical specifications. But they have that last. They don't have that at the beginning, which is really smart because that's probably what people care about the least. Now, as you see, they have some upsells even here, which is really cool how they've been able to add that, and some cross sells. Now, then they have the reviews at the very bottom. And, just a little bit of feedback here on improving the mask. Somebody's saying, there's things that they could be doing better with it, which to me is a very sobering thing to think about, because a lot of us, when we start businesses, we freak out about every little bad thing that happens, right? Every customer complaint, but this happens at every level. It's natural, and it gives you an opportunity to improve your product, which is the goal. Now, their marketing strategy is decent, but it's actually not that crazy, at least when it comes to community building and their organic approach, which just goes to show you don't need to, have the craziest community and craziest organic strategy in order to build a successful business. By the way, this business was posted in the Academy Lab Mastermind. That's something you can join. It's a research and education community that we created after having a lot of agency results and our own brands. We decided this would be a really nice complementary thing to have for people that are either just beginners or just want to have like a presidential brief every day of e-commerce information. It's really cool. You should definitely check it out in the description. I'm active every single day in that community. It's super fun. But the main secret sauce here, unsurprisingly, is meta ads. They are running a ton of meta ads, all kinds of meta ads. And just like I mentioned at the beginning, a big angle that they're using is this free gift, right? So shop any LED device and get a free enzyme powder cleanser. This free gift offer is so powerful, and they're highlighting it in huge words, as you see. So why is that special? Well, the word free is just incredibly powerful, right? When people know they can get something for free, they're likely to opt in for it. Now, let's actually look at some of their normal ads as well, or rather their UGC kind of ads. Answering questions on TikTok, that's a great way to create ads. Things you should consider when buying an LED mask. Is it FDA cleared? Does it have the ideal wavelengths and irritants? So these are probably some of the most frequently asked questions that they had. This is an amazing ad format right here that you should totally follow for your brand. That's a really good ad. Then they're running just some very normal image ad picks here with some good ad copies. And yeah, I mean, just testing a lot of different things. This is the key to success. Let's look at this one. This one is a whitelisted influencer ad. So let's take a look. So it's just her and her mom or her daughter rather using this product together. It looks kind of scary, but that's cool. So very powerful ad for moms. I would think it would be a little bit better if they had some captions, but everything is worth testing. And now they're even starting to target men with some of these products. So that's how you start developing more and more product categories and start just really building your business. Now, like I mentioned, this is where we got the data from the Akemi lab, but we actually use a tool called Shop Hunter in here to estimate the revenue. It's not entirely accurate. Some people complain about that, but 8 times out of 10, I've tested it on my own 100K a month stores, and it usually does narrow it down pretty well. Now, it's important to know how well something is doing because I'm not gonna lie, having a data-driven approach is a much easier way to build a successful business than trying to just follow your intuition, especially if you've never had success with a business before. That's a big mistake a lot of beginners make, and it's easy to make. I still make that mistake sometimes. I let my own bias drive my decisions too much, but it's natural, right? We're humans. These things just happen. But hopefully you're learning from my lessons, and hopefully you're learning from these videos. So we got a lot of plans for the channel, got a lot of really interesting content dropping soon, so make sure that you stay tuned with the notifications on, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.